Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be looking at the differences of reactions in water for sodium metal, potassium metal, and the metal alloy NaK, which is a combination of sodium and potassium. Now, this is my first voiceover, but I thought I'd do one because I felt like it was only appropriate for this video, because there's a lot of stuff in this video that I felt like needed to be explained in further detail. So without further ado, here we go. Just a quick safety note, please do not try this at home. It was a very dangerous experiment and you can get seriously injured. So I would not recommend trying this at home. Thank you. To start off, we have sodium metal. As you can see, this reaction was a lot more violent than the first sodium reaction because it's just a larger piece of sodium.
I didn't think it would explode. That normally just fits.
And we can clearly see that I did not expect this at all. Next we have potassium. Now the good thing about potassium is that although it is more reactive in a sense, it's usually not as explosive as sodium. So we just see a quick flame here. And yeah, it's not super reactive. It's not as dangerous. Now finally we have NaK. Now the interesting thing about NaK is that it actually is a liquid at room temperature. However, it still forms what's called an oxide layer on the outside of the metal to prevent it from reacting with the air. Now, you normally want to dissolve off this oxide layer using something like isopropanol or pure ethanol. However, I didn't have either, so I decided to expose the fresh metal using a spoon. Now, this was one of the most dangerous things that I've ever done when it comes to chemistry, so I would really not recommend trying this at home. So even after stirring the NaK a little bit, it still doesn't react as violently as it is expected to react. However, once I squeeze the NaK enough, the fresh metal has a chance to get exposed to the water and it reacts extremely violently. Now I'm going to play the three reactions in sequential order, and I want you guys to tell me what you think is the most reactive. Comparing the reactions together, I'd say that sodium was definitely the most explosive. However, I think that NaK, in this case, is definitely the most reactive. Before I end this video, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun creating the experiments that were done in this video, and I hope I can create more like it in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.